Applying for a mortgage can be a little confusing, but it doesn't need to be. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton home team of Keller Williams, and today I just want to give you a quick overview of what it looks like to get a mortgage loan. First, you're going to apply for a mortgage pre-approval letter. It's just a piece of paper showing sellers that you have talked to a lender and are pre-approved to purchase a home at a certain price point. Typically, you're going to fill out a form online with the lender, submit some documents so that it can go through their underwriting to evaluate if they feel like you're able to purchase at which price point that you're looking for. Then they're going to send you a letter of pre-approval for the amount that you qualify for. Now, once you have that letter in hand, it is time to go shop and make that offer. Be sure to work with a realtor who's going to help you make a wise financial offer and include terms that the sellers can't refuse for a win-win negotiating. Once your offer is accepted, next up is the loan application. Basically, they're going to beef up what they started with through the pre-approval process and want to make sure they have every bit of documentation for the loan as it goes through the underwriting department for that final approval. Now, we'll be waiting for the loan and processing, and we're just going to sit back while that loan processes to review all of your information in the file. As you gather documents about the house for the underwriter, they're going to make the key decision makers in this whole process. Like literally the buck stops here. With everything that is reviewed, underwriting may ask for additional documents. They may approve it as it's written. So be prepared to provide any additional documentation, and please do not make any large purchases during that time, which will change your debt to income ratio. Lastly, but certainly not least, closing time. Now, once you've made it to closing, you're in the home stretch. The documents have been approved, and after a few signatures, the house is officially yours. If you are ready to buy or know someone who is but has questions on the whole process of getting pre-approved and finding out what financing options are, reach out to us. We'd be happy to walk you or the person that you know, family, friends, coworker, through each step one by one.